Hello traders, welcome to the weekly and daily outlook on the Euro Pound. Now the Euro Pound is still stuck in this consolidated channel, which we eventually expect the market to break to the upside. However, based on the current structure and price action of the market, we're likely going to see this market head down to the bottom end of the trend line before it comes back up. So dropping these down to the hourly time frame, we can see that the market has been presenting us with lots of sales opportunities. So if you've been watching these videos in the last couple of weeks, you would have taken this opportunity, this shorting opportunity, and you would have taken that one. And last week we'd identified that the market has the potential to give us another sell opportunity here. But I told you guys, watch out for the market retesting the previous highs as well before it goes down. So now we are at the previous high here, and you can see the market is already respecting that level. So this is going to present us with a nice shorting opportunity heading into this week.